Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So we're going to be looking at top lending loan apps in Nigeria and the features and how much you can actually get from every of these loan apps in Nigeria today. And without wasting much of the time, so I'll just go straight to the point, then you understand what you'll be getting on any of these loan apps in Nigeria. So the first one we'll be looking at is Branch, which already have over 10 million app download on Google Play Store, and the review is actually going to 1 million reviews. Same thing goes to the overall rating, which is 4.5, which actually a great way and great features for you to believe that this app is actually legit and is here to stay to serve everyone. And with this app, you can get from 2,000 naira to 500,000 loan within the short period of time of 61 to 180 days, as it was stated on the app as well. So same thing goes to the return interest rate as well. It all depends on how much you are borrowing from this app and how many days do you want to use to return or to refund the money that you borrow from the app. So then the next one is Fair Money. Fair Money is one of the leading app that borrow Nigerian people and Indian people money to sort out some certain bills, and then you can refund as at when you have the money or when you choose to pay back the money. And Fair Money give out loan within 5 to 10 minutes, depends on how accurate the information you provide when you're trying to register and providing your information within the app. And the overall rating for this app is 4.4, and it already have over 2 million people that have downloaded the app, as well as the total review of close to 500,000 reviews from Google Play Store. This app is actually legit, and people have already used this app, so you can check them out and see what the app actually have for you. The third one is Kuda Bank. Kuda is literally a great app with a lot of features. You can do transaction from Kuda banks and then some other features like that. And Kuda already have over 5 million downloads. Total reviews is over 164,000. And then the overall rating is 4.4. With Kuda, you can also do transaction and do some stock investment as well within the app. They also have or offer Kuda ATM card, which you can use as any physical ATM machine to withdraw money. The fourth one is Quick Check, which already have over 1 million downloads from Google Play Store, and the overall rating is 4.5, as well as the total review is 147,000. This app is great. I've made a lot of videos regarding Quick Check and how reliable the app actually is, so you can trust them and use them to request for your next loan. The next one is Carbon. Carbon is one of the greatest loan app in Nigeria today, which is well known as Pay Later before, but now Carbon. This app is very good, and you can use it to borrow your next loan. And within the short period of time of 3 to 6 months, you can use to pay back any loan you requested from Carbon loan app. And the app also have different kind of features, such as giving you ATM card, which you can also use to withdraw cash from the ATM machine. You can pay bills, you can buy airtime within the app as well. The next one is Elia. Elia is another loan app that offer you almost 1 million naira within the short period of time. If you want to start a business or personal use, you can get a loan for up to this amount within this app, and you can pay back within 1 month to 3 months. That's actually a great option if you are looking out to borrow a loan for a short period of time. And then you can also purchase airtime and some other features within the app. Another one is Palm Credit. Palm Credit is also a great app which you can also use to borrow a loan, and they also offer flexible transaction and low interest rate within any amount of loan you borrow from the app. The total download of this app is almost 5 million downloads from Google Play Store, and the overall rating is 4.4, and the total review is 174,000 on Google Play Store. And you can pay back any amount of loan you borrow from 14 days to 180 days. And they also offer fast loan disbursement direct to your bank account. Another one is Remoney. Remoney have over 500,000 people that downloaded the app from Google Play Store, and then the overall rating is for 3.3, which is actually lower than other loan app we have been reviewing in this video. And also the overall rating is closing to 10,000. The total review is close to 10,000, which is actually not actually bad. But then they also offer the greatest loan amount, which is up to 6 million naira, and you can pay back within 180 days to closing to 2 years, depending on the kind of information you provide while borrowing the loan from this platform. And then they also offer different kind of features which you can also you see as benefits when you're trying to recharge your bank account and also pay some bills, which is actually most things that people use to get from most apps, because most of these loan apps are trying to be alternative to banks, or they want to get rid of banks and make sure they want to make sure people are using them more than they use the bank to purchase airtime and maybe data subscription as well. So those are the lending loan apps that I try to make for you in this video, so you can be able to understand and see the new features and how much you can actually get from any of these loan apps.